Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Ram 1500 Rebel Crew Cab in billet silver with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, spray and bed liner by MOPAR, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90651B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.